Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to open up a folder using Terminal on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, access to a few folders that you wish to open using Terminal and Terminal commands. So we can now start this tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder and explore the folders we wish to open. Let's go to Computer Science Videos. We will look to open up the desktop, documents, downloads, all from Terminal. Let's now close Finder for the moment. Now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the command prompt Terminal, open up Terminal, increase the size of the Terminal window, as well as the text size using Command plus a couple of times. Let's now clear everything on screen. Let's now change directory, print working directory to see where we are. The command before we open up anything to list everything on screen is ls-l. And now if I wish to open up the desktop folder, the command is open .desktop, enter, and there we go. The desktop folder has now opened up. Let's now minimize the desktop folder for the moment. Let's open up Documents, and there we go. The Documents folder has opened up within Terminal. Let's now open up the Music folder, open .mu tab, enter, and there we go, the Music folder. Let's now clear everything on screen, change directory, and quit Terminal. Command W to all the Finder windows. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.